And hello everyone, and the winter is finally over. Wow, what a winter it was, so cold and so much snow. So now I'm just doing a little bit of a spring clean, and as a matter of fact, I got some new parts that came in over the past few weeks. So there is a lot of more videos that are gonna be coming with my T-Rex. Yeah, actually let me show you what I got. So as you can see, I got quite a few parts laying over there. I have some stuff in here that's gonna be replacing soon. So yeah, should be fun. I got something over here in this big box. I don't know what is there. Where is that? I don't know what that is. Can you tell what that is? I'm pretty sure you can tell what that is. Very excited, cannot wait to replace that soon, and some more parts over there. And today, hopefully, it's gonna be actually another small upgrade that I'm gonna do into my truck. A while back I went off-roading with this nice group of people. They want to be anonymous, so I'm gonna respect that, and I'm not gonna say who that is, but very nice people. So in the past couple of weeks they contacted me because they gave the exterior to a shop to do a full body lift and shocks and everything, new tires, new rims, big bumpers. I already saw a few pictures, so I'm gonna see if I can add them over here to the video. I'm gonna ask their permission, and there looks amazing now. So anyways, they contacted me and they asked me if I would like to have their tires, because they have off-road tires and I have just the regular tires. And I said, of course, yes, thank you. So today I'm actually going to meet them, and I'm gonna get the tires from them. And if weather permitted, I'm gonna try to replace the tires today as well. I have a regular, like Michelin, just regular street tires, and they have all-terrain tires, which are actually gonna be slightly higher. So just by doing that, my truck is gonna be higher, hopefully. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, and I'm here just waiting for the guys now. They're gonna be coming any minute now. We agreed to meet at this park. It's kinda midway, maybe not midway to both of us, but oh, it's too windy today. I was planning to do the changes right here, to change the tires all here. I was gonna bring all my gear, all my camera gear, and the jack, the heavy duty jack, but it's too windy today. Not that I'm afraid of the wind, but the sound quality is not gonna be the best. It's not like it's ever any good anyways. That's beside the point. So I'm just gonna load up the tires whenever the guys come, and then head back home, and probably, hopefully, just gonna do the changing of the tires at the house all the time. Either today, if the wind settles down, or the next few days, who knows. Yeah, very excited to see the tires. We got the tires, guys. We got the tires. 4 tires with the rims. I believe that's stock Pro 4X rims, so they're slightly bigger, and the tires are bigger as well. I'm gonna compare them to my tires once I get home, because I already loaded them up. I don't want to take them out. It's so windy over here. Yeah, I'm very happy to see the tires. I mean, yeah, they look a little bit worn out, but it still has plenty of tread, and especially those looks pretty good, and that's way better than what I have, which I have that just a regular tires. It's like a street tires. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna go back home, and I'll see if I can do the replacement of the tires today. It's not gonna be too windy. Otherwise my camera is gonna keep falling down or something. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Alright, and I'm back home. I believe I have everything set up. I have my jack ready, and I'm about to break those lug nuts and start taking off the tires. I apologize for the sound quality. It's too windy today, so I'm just probably gonna engage the time-lapse mode, and yeah, just change the tires like that. Just make sure you put something under the tires so the car doesn't roll back or forward. You put the parking brake on and make sure it's in a park and emergency brake is on. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Very excited. And let's check. With my old tires, the car in the rear sits at about 33.7/8, and at the front it sits at about 33 inches even. So that's how it looks right now before I start changing to a new tire. I don't know if you can tell, but these tires are definitely taller and bigger, so hopefully that's an upgrade. One note though, if you don't have power tools and you're gonna do it manually, make sure you break off the lug nuts while the car is still standing on the ground, and then you raise it up. And if you have power tools, you can do it that way. If the tool is too short, you can always use a breaker bar. Just add a piece of pipe and go at it. Alright, so as you can see, the first tire is off, and now it's a good time to inspect the brake calipers and the brake pads, which seems to be nice, except all the rust over here and all of this, and the shocks, which hopefully soon, in the middle of the summer maybe, sometimes, that's gonna be gone. And then another note, just to be on the safe side, I also put that over there just for extra support. And now it's the time to put a new tire on. Now, while the tire is still in the air, you gotta make sure you tighten up the bolts evenly so the rim sits straight. So once you feel that the lug nuts doesn't spin anymore and it spins the whole tire, you can lower the truck and just tighten up to the specs. Alright, the new tire is on with the new rims, which I like way more than the ones I had, which are kinda look boring if you ask me. This one looks much nicer, so like that. And yeah, all-terrain tires, little bit worn out on this side over here. That's no big deal. They're gonna last me until end of summer, hopefully. And they're much bigger and they do look better. So now it's just a little editing magic. I'm gonna change all the remaining 3 tires.
Much later.
And alright everyone, I'm done replacing the tires. They're all on. The new tires are on. But what a crazy weather is. I don't know if you can tell, but it's actually started to snow. What a crazy weather. So probably gonna finish up the video right now, maybe gonna add a little piece later. But let me tell you, those rims and tires, they do look way better. Just look at those rims and tires. They look way better than my old ones. The old ones look kinda boring and sad. This one looks more aggressive. I like it. So we have a new tires on, and let's see how much of we actually got some lift here. You can see right now we're sitting at the sun is too brutal, but we're almost at 35, not exactly, but we're at 34 and 3 1/4 in the rear, and at the front we are sitting now at 33.5 actually. So yeah, we got a little bit of a lift. That's pretty good. Alright, and we replaced all the tires. I had to go inside the car because it's so windy outside, and not that I'm afraid of the wind or anything. Actually, while I was recording, doing the time lapse on the GoPro, the wind blew it away and fell, but it's alright. I just didn't want it to get the sound quality all bad. So I replaced all the tires, and now I'm just gonna go and fill up the air and make sure it's everything fine, and just check all the lug nuts once more time, make sure it's all tight and nice. But yeah, the noise, if anybody concerned, maybe from the road tires, the regular road tires I had, and now I have the all-terrain tires, the road noise is a little bit more, but I don't care. I really like those tires, and I usually have music playing anyway, so that's not gonna bother me at all. So noise, tire noise, anything, that's no big deal for me. I don't care. So once again, I really appreciate, and big thank you for the guys who donated those tires to me. I know they're gonna be watching this video, so I'm telling you guys once more time, thank you so much. I really appreciate this help. And on this positive note, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye.